Hello everyone, this is Eric, RC Monster Garage. We haven't done a video for a while because what we're doing right now, we are moving to a new store after Richard Paley from Paley Management Company kicked us out of our own hobby shop, wanted more rent. We told him no, we find a better place, nicer, bigger, less rent, so we can keep the discount for you. But what we got here today is the ARRMA VENDETTA Brushless Electric 1/8 scale. This is out and we just got them in, and let's open it up and see what we got. For this, of course, we need my handy dandy knife to open and cut it, and then dum da da dum da 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 dum da dum dum dum. No, should I hold it longer? There it is. Okay, so there is two different colors. There is a yellow and of course there is a blue. I want to show you guys when you open it and you want to remove the box. There is another tape here on the edges that you have to cut. It's something new that they're doing because the cars are tied on to the boxes. Okay, so you have to cut this in order to take it out. And then we kind of a makeshift table here, so hopefully it's not going to fall. That's it. I have a hidden assistant. Let's fold this here and fold this there. And look at this beauty. And of course, ARRMA giving you a free ceramic wrap for your sandwiches right there. You can reuse it for your sandwiches. No, I'm not gonna use it for sandwiches, don't worry, but make sure to put it in the trash where it belongs. Now, those cars are extremely beautiful. Now, I hope that the camera will catch it, but there is design inside of the yellow. And it's kind of a yellow, but it's called green. It's kind of very lime green. I call it yellow. So whenever you look online, some of it will look yellow, some of it look green. Depend on your system and depend on your camera and your screen, of course. Now, let's open it up real quick. See what's going on inside, and I know that we're gonna go run it and do a lot of videos with it. Good thing about this car that is not so expensive. This specific car right now going for about $450, and you will need a battery for it. It's a 3S LiPo, and you can put probably like work on your ESC and put a 4S or change it later to 6S or whatever like you want to put inside, but make sure you change the ESC and motor. Now, of course, we have here those self-hanging pins. I like those. The body is just beautiful, and it's have the fin over here that will be a nightmare to paint. If you're a painter and you're gonna need to paint this is gonna be a nightmare. They made over here the holes on the top. I'm assuming that those holes are to help actually to push dirt and dust outside, so you're not gonna have it on your car, so it's gonna be actually pretty cool. Let's pull it out, and okay. Of course, inside, because it's a metallic color, they gone again with a silver. Sorry, I highly recommend to put duct tape all around here, so when you crash, you're not gonna break it. The rear is completely open. It's completely open for the airflow, and of course, you have here the diffusers on the back. It's really nice. Will be super cool to put red LED lights over there. Now, let's go over the vehicle itself. So, when you take first glance on this thing, those tires are amazingly beautiful. They feel really good when you touch them. They feel really nice and soft, so they will be really nice. Now, they did show this vehicle on their advertisement driving on top of dirt. I will be kind of say no to that. It's more of a street car. You can go run it on the dirt if you want, but not with those tires. If you will do that, get the tires from the ARRMA Infraction. Now, you cannot put the ARRMA Infraction 3S. You cannot put the big wheels on it from the bigger ARRMA Limitless and all those, because those wheels have different hubs. It looks like 12 or 14 mil. I haven't checked it out yet. Now, overall, when you look at it, it's very familiar platform that you have in all the other 3S BLX. You have here the 3X BLX motor that they're using on everything. You have the ESC. Now this ESC is a little bit small for this car. Already going to give you guys a tip for that. It's better if you can change it to a bigger ESC. Again, it's very good for it is as it is. It will run very good. It will run very nice. But if you want performance, you're going to have to get rid of the ESC, put something a little bit bigger. And later you can put a little bit bigger motor. And what you're going to do is if you get any of the TP motor or anything else that is longer, the motor will be longer, but you're going to grab your ESC and you're going to put it right here on top of your receiver box. Steering servo, of course, they're using a regular steering servo. I highly recommend to change those later to the 25 kilogram digital high-speed servo. It will work a little bit better. One thing that when I look at those coilover shocks, I see something. Let's see. Try to zoom in over here. Okay, so those shocks here, something very weird. So they are solid shocks. They don't have a coilover, but there is a thread over here. So it means that we can actually probably convert this to a coilover easily. There is a thread right there. If you go backward and actually zoom from far, you will see it better. There is a thread on those shocks. It means that we can actually take a piece of a nut and actually make here a coilover system. I'm gonna show how to do that. I saw it first time now, and I'm gonna already have the gears running in my head how to fix it. So we will do that. We make a video how to do that. Now, on the back of this vehicle, you have over here this beautiful diffuser that they may paint it like actually red inside to keep like the car low to the ground. It's actually really, really nice. And of course, as always, I'm gonna 3D print parts to close this section of the car. Again, they're using a pre-built platform, so you want the base to be wider all the way to where the wheels are, so it's going to be nicer, and then it will close this section a little bit better. You're missing here about like 2 inches that need to be done. All this being said, what you will need to run this vehicle going to be a 3S battery with a EC5 connector or IC5. It's exactly the same thing. One of them have this gray wire with a monitor for the smart battery, and one of them don't, so it's not a big deal if you don't have it. Regular EC5 battery is just fine. Now, first run, I highly recommend to go easy on this vehicle. I know people want to show off and test it. All the gearing, everything in those cars need to kind of combine nicely and slow. You cannot go and just trash it right away. You need to go slow, let the differential gears actually lubricate with the grease there is inside. As soon as you got it, it just splatter all inside and you never get it the right way where you want it. Let's put the body back on it. And again, just a quick glance all around it. I think that this vehicle is just beautiful. There's a lot of small details if you would drive a real car. They make it electric, so this is the E for real car for the electric shut off. This is where you're going to shut off the power for the vehicle from the outside when you do racing for emergency. The front over here, this fake carbon fiber sticker is actually really nice, very good quality. Even on the fan on the back over here, there is so much details, and it's really nice. And then there is those 3D fans on the back. This is absolutely beautiful, but I would like to see holes over here, so the heat from the motor going to be able to flow out. So guys, take your Dremel tool, make holes over here just so the air can actually go outside. Over here on the front, this section here, those were supposed to be like a little bit small cavities. So if you're bored and you don't have anything better to do, take your Dremel tool and put like a piece of tape over here, line your Dremel and open those cavities. It will be actually really cool that you have actually air flowing from over there as well. Like, subscribe and share. We moved to a new shop. We still operating on the old shop until Black Friday. When we get to a day or two before Black Friday, we will move to the new shop 100%, and then we're gonna have a huge Black Friday sale. So contact me right now regarding Black Friday sale. If you're already customer of my shop, I'm gonna hook you guys up with the already cheaper prices. We have those cars right now in blue, and we have those cars in those green or yellow, whatever color you want to call it. Don't forget, this is Eric at MotoStyles Hobby Shop in Granada Hills. Like, subscribe, and share, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Those cars available right now. Today is Thursday. No, it's Friday today. It's Friday. Jeez, I'm working on the shop so long, I don't know what day it is. Saturday, Sunday, we're probably going to sell up. So if you see the video, text me right away if you want one of those so you can come pick it up. Bye.